Did you know that with a Supered update, you can actually force your employees to go to a certain URL or review a certain card in order to complete that update? That's right, this week in Illuminating Supered, I'm going to walk you through this very small but very powerful tool in updates. Think of the possibilities that you can do. Do you have timesheets that need to be filled out every week? You can schedule a reminder every Friday. Go check out your timesheet. Or if you have a new policy in place, you can make sure that each person in the company has reviewed it. Think of all the things that you used to do when you're like, hey, review this Slack message and put your favorite emoji there to know that you've read it. Nope, you can all do that now in an update. Let's get into it. Now, all of this fun is going to occur on the media tab while you're creating an update. The default setting for an update is just to say complete at the bottom of it. And it will naturally do this if you do not connect a card or an external URL. However, if you do, your employees will be forced to either view that card or go to that URL to complete the update. Sneaky, sneaky. For example, say I just posted a brilliant LinkedIn article or post, and I want to make sure that all of my employees go see and engage with it. Let's simply put the URL right here. You're now going to publish this update, and let's go see it in action. I just logged into my HubSpot, and boom, this update is being served to me. Now, when I view the update, it's going to take me, and that is how you can force your team to do what you need. Now, this is one more way that Supered is helping you enforce your processes. If you're interested in this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe on our YouTube channel, or go ahead and follow me on LinkedIn, where I do a weekly Illuminating Supered, which are weekly FAQs, tips, and tricks. As always, stay awesome, stay supered.